Hi everyone, my name is QTF Bura from BS Cream 1A Group 6. So, ang itatopic ko ngayon is, kasi naka-assign to sa akin, is types of photography. So, kasi yung topic na assign sa Group 6 namin is evolutions ng photography. But, pero yung explain ko lang is yung types of photography. If you want to know what is the definition or evolution of photography, you can watch nasa YouTube channel ng mga group mates ko. And let's start. Let's start sa types of photography, which is we have, I don't know, 3 types ata ng photography. So, kasi naka-assign sa akin is 3 na types ng photography. So, okay, let's start. So, first is aerial, wait lang, is types na aerial photography. Okay, aerial photography. It refers to the taking of photographs of the ground from an elevated position. It is acquired through the use of a specialized camera mounted such as fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, drones, balloons, kites, parachutes, etc. So, madami dyan. So, aerial photography is parang nagtitake ka lang sa mataas, like kunwari in mountain, tapos pinicturean mo yung mga buildings na nasa ilalim, nasa mountain ka, tapos nag-capture ka doon. Parang ganun yung angle ng aerial photography. Just like drones, sa mga drones, di ba? If gusto mo makakita ng ocean, kasi nasa taas naman yan. Nasa taas yung camera. So, pag drones, di ba, nagtitake ka ng picture using drones para makita mo yung ganda ng ocean natin. Tapos, for example, nasa mataas na building ka and you're taking capture of the city lights, ganon, diba? Just like from anong tawag dun? Yung place na super maganda yung city lights, diba? Pag gabi, parang nasa taas na building ka, tapos you're taking capture of it, maganda siya. So, yun yung mga example ng aerial photography. So, meron akong ipakitang example para maintindihan nyo talaga yung aerial photography. So, just like this, city lights in New York, and this, ocean. So, yan, maganda siya, diba? So, yan yung mga example ng aerial photography. Nag-capture ka lang, parang capture ka sa mataas na part. Okay, aerial photography is a technique of photographing the Earth's surface, ganon, or features of its atmosphere or hydrosphere, with cameras mounted on aircraft, rockets, or Earth-orbiting satellites and other spacecraft, ganon, and other spacecraft. Ganon yung mga definition ng aerial photography. So, napakita ko yun yung example, and ito lang, ito, and ito. Yan ang mga example ng aerial photography. So, let's move on to astrophotography. So, yung astrophotography naman is it focuses entirely on taking images from space. This type could vary from the planets to the stars or any other exciting configuration. So, let's start muna what is astro. Bakit tinawag siyang astrophotography? Ganon. So, astro is relating to the stars, celestial objects, or outer space. Yan po yung definition ng astro. So, astrophotography. And like magte-take ka ng picture. Example pala. Magte-take ka ng picture ng moon, stars, ganon. Like mga, 'di ba, universe. Meron din mga picture ng ano, 'di ba? Yung mga stars, mga ganon. Ito example niya. Ito, yan, sobrang ganda. Ito. So, yan yung mga example ng astrophotography. Kasi astrophotography, tinawag siya kasi nag-picture ng mga stars, moons, mga objects sa space natin, di ba? So, yan yung madali lang siya, astrophotography. Okay, move on naman tayo. Actually, madali lang tong tong report na to kasi types of photography lang naman yon, and we all know that, you know, lalo sa mahilig mag-picture, ganon. I'm sure alam nito. So, yun yung astrophotography. Napakita ko yun ng example. So, then, let's move on naman sa commercial photography. So, commercial photography, wait lang. It is a photographic work done for commercial purposes, such as corporate brochure and leaflets, menus in cafes and restaurants, magazine advertising, merchandising, and product placement. It has a various, yun yung mga, yun yung definition ng commercial photography. Yung commercial photography, alam niyo yun yung like sa mga diba, tarpaulins, magazines, mga billboards, kanon, may makita kayo na pinopromote nila yung isang product. Yan yung example lang yun ng commercial photography. Yan yung pinopromote nila yung isang product, diba? Like example, ganito sa Mang Inasal, pinopromote niya. And ito naman, si Vice Ganda sa McDo, diba? Yan yung mga example ng commercial photography. And ito pa. Ann Curtis, gano'n, pinopromote niya yung Jollibee. And yan yung commercial photography. Pinopromote nila yung isang produkto, gano'n. Tapos, yeah, yun lang yung commercial photography. So, yun lang yung naka-assign sa akin. We have 3. I don't know sa ibang groupmates ko, baka mag-report din sila ng types of photography, ganon. Pero yung na-assign sa akin is aerial, astro, and commercial photography. So, thank you guys for watching, and yun yung report ko. Thank you!